Hey you all. So have you ever been in a trade and it suddenly shot up or down, taking you out of your trade or blowing your account? Yes, welcome to trading. This is when I made sure to know when the news was coming out. It helped me to stay out of the market on those days until the market calmed down. Here are some of the ones that I look at. This is called fundamental analysis. And first, we're going to look at Forex Factory. Okay, so when you go to forexfactory.com, you're going to come right here to calendar and select it. And this is what you're going to be looking for. First of all, you got to make sure you know the dates that there's going to be news. Like today, USD, red. You're going to be looking for these little red folders. The Empire State Manufacturing Index. So what you'll do is come open this little folder by left clicking, and then it'll give you information about it. Okay, and why traders care? It's a leading indicator of economic health. Businesses react quickly to market conditions and changes in their sentiment, and can be an early signal of future economic activity such as spending, hiring, and investment, and so on. So you want to look into that. And if you want the latest release, you will just click on this one where it says source, meaning where is this coming from. You will just click this. This is why it turns red, and you can get the latest information there for that. And then you can just click out of that, but make sure you always check the date, go to calendar, and look for the red folders. So tomorrow being the 18th, if you're in the market at 1 o'clock in the morning, just know the pound may make some moves because they have news coming out at that time. Make sure that your time up here coincides with the time on your computer. Okay. Also, I think these will be, I'm not sure if they're Eastern Standard Time. I'll have to put that in a different video after I find out about that. But so this is going to be one that you look at. And then we're going to look at another one. And then you may just want to check bloomberg.com/markets. Just so that you can take a look at what's going on here. You can read a little bit about it. Everyone is not fundamental traders. And when I say, I don't go through all of this every day. But for one, I do want to go to Forex Factory calendar just to make sure that we're not having news that day. Because I don't want to be whipsawed out of a trade, okay? But it doesn't hurt to just read and go over a few things. Just take a look at some things to see what's happening in different parts of the world, because you may be trading a particular pair that has something to do with, the pair that you're trading. Okay? So that kind of stuff is very, very, very important. Just read, listen, scroll, and get information. Price action is king, so you don't have to read news, because news really normally follow the structure of the market, or the market normally follows news and vice versa. But you want to make sure you're not getting whipsawed, so you want to know the days that there are going to be news, okay? And I must say investing.com is one of my favorite ones. Why? Because you can come here and get as much information as you need. Come to technical analysis right here and click that. And say, for example, you're trading this pair, Euro USD. Let me scroll down a little bit. You get this information first. This is an hourly, and it's showing you what's happening on the hourly. It's a strong sell. You can look at the monthly. It's neutral. Weekly, it's a strong buy. Daily, it's a strong buy. 5 hour is a strong sale. Hourly, a strong sale. So far we just have the hourly and the 5 hour that are in sync. 30 minutes is neutral. So would you really be wanting to trade this? You may scalp it. Let's check GU. GU, strong sale on the hourly, strong sale on the 5 hour, neutral on the daily, strong buy on the weekly, neutral on the monthly, neutral on the 30 minute, a buy on the 15 minute, a strong buy on the 1 minute, and neutral, on the 5 minute, and then neutral on the 1 minute. So this doesn't seem like a time to be in the trade, but it is 3:05, so you definitely don't want to be in the trade right now. But also you can come down and check out the technical indicators and the moving averages, okay, where they have their pivot points. I don't use those, but other people do. So yeah, that's good as far as the technical aspect of it. But I normally come here to the markets, come to currencies, and I'll just pull up GU this way, and I'll select it, and then it'll tell me what's happening right away, if it's heading down, and then I'll just scroll down to see, what else is telling me here. It'll ask you what is your sentiment, and then it will give you more information as to what it's doing, okay? So it's a lot of good information in here. It doesn't hurt to use these in your trades. And I'll just show you this last one, marketwatch.com. You can come and check out the latest of everything. Here's the markets, investing, personal finance, the economy, retirement. Has a lot of different things in here. You can a lot of different news about different things that's going on in the world. So you may just want to, read over some of this. It will help you. And once you start doing this, it will help you to learn more about what's going on in the market and how to read news. All right. So I hope that helped, and you guys have a good day.